Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Collar Crypto. It's May 28th. It's about 4:30 p.m. East Coast time. We got some updates for Headline and what they got going on. They got a bunch of updates, but we're just going to go over the thumbnails real fast, okay? Most importantly is the vault, the Platinum Vault, is going to open again tomorrow. Is the registration, and it's going to, then you can vault your HDL tokens for a day, and then you lock it up for 6 months. And anyway, that was just announced, so let's check it out. So let's take a quick look at some of the announcements real fast. This one right here, which was from 6 hours ago, about 10 a.m. this morning, it says Vault V2 sign up is launching in 24 hours. If you were liquidated from Vault V1 and unable to vault before the deadline, or a new HDL headline holder, then this is an opportunity that you don't want to miss. The minimum vault requirement is 2,000 HDL tokens and 1 Platinum Astro. There's a couple other announcements. Headline made a couple acquisitions recently. This was May 25th. Headline has acquired the AlgOptions DeFi protocol. AlgOptions features 100% collateralized options contracts on Algo and Algorand ASAs. Our derivatives roadmap includes audited production application and AMM automatic market makers options marketplace. I don't know what automatic market makers is. I don't know options too much, but hey, that's a cool thing. Oh, I just saw this headline. This was from May 24th. I didn't realize this. Headline HDL is now on CoinGecko. Positive. Here's another one. DAO Tools Algo Vote. The team at Headline Crypto has developed a blockchain voting application called Algo Vote. It leverages the Algorand network. Let's read more. Headline Crypto has developed a blockchain voting application called Algo Vote. It is part of a broader suite of new applications they are building, which is referred as DAO Tools. Well, that's cool. All right, here we go. Headline has acquired AlgoTrade Analytics and DeFi Suite. AlgoTrade features live ASA charts and built-in swapping tools. Our roadmap includes data swap support for all DEXs and robust portfolio tracking. Well, that's pretty neat. This feature will be 100% free for HDL holders. Man, that's bullish. I haven't been on AlgoTrade. I'm going to have to check it out. And this one was from yesterday. Headline says, introducing ARC Minter, the first Algorand NFT minter that natively supports ARC19. Built by Headline and the Algorand community. Built by Headline for the Algorand community. ARC Minter will be 100% free to use. Now go get yourself an ARC19 NFT. This one's on us. Let's check it out. So if you go to the ARC Minter, I guess you can mint your own NFTs on Algorand blockchain. I don't know the difference between ARC19 or ARC69. It seems pretty simple right here. Let's check it out though. There's one thing right over here that probably should take a look at. Once your NFT is minted on the Algorand blockchain, you will not be able to edit or update any of the information unless you minted the NFT with ARC19. If you minted the NFT with ARC19, you may update the NFT's information using the asset config transaction. All right, that's cool. I'd imagine if you're going to mint some NFTs on Algorand, it's probably pretty cheap. This is a free thing. I don't know how much it costs Algorand wise, but and if you're on ERC20 or ERC, what's the other one, 721 or 1155, if you're minting any NFTs on Ethereum, dude, it's not cheap, right? So anyway, it's a pretty cool option. Worth checking out if you're into NFTs. Another announcement, it says Headline has just passed above 5,000 ranking on Crunchbase. I'm not sure what Crunchbase is. It seems like a business and technology sector searching out businesses and stuff like that. But a few days ago, they said they were at 10,000. Now they're at 4,680. So that's pretty amazing. Okay, that was just the thumbnail breakdown of recent announcements from Headline and HDL token. So what we have here is an hour ago, they says only 10 more hours until the next price increase from 2,000 Algo to 3,000 Algo for the Platinum Astros. Man, and if you want to join the vault, you need 1 Platinum Astro for Vault V2, which launches tomorrow. So let's check it out. Let's go to, where is it? It's on AlgoGems. So not only does the price increase later today, from 2,000 Algo to 3,000 Algo, there are only 30 available. So might be something worth looking into. Just saying. All right, let me go back just a little bit. This is on Twitter. All of these announcements I found on their Twitter page. So they acquired AlgOptions, but if you go down to the comments, somebody says, can you please give us an update on what these acquisitions mean for Headline and what the vision is here? How will these acquisitions benefit, and do all the staff come with the buys, etc.? Thank you and good job. And Aaron, who's the head guy, I guess, I don't know if he's the CEO or just the project manager, but he is the guy who started the whole project. He says, our mission is to build everything. Sometimes it makes more sense to acquire functional products than to build them from scratch. Yeah, I've heard that before, honestly, but that is legit. Good to see that you're doing that. I'm sorry, I interrupted his quote. We can then bring in new devs or existing devs to build out each new product. So I'm down with that. All right, another update. This was a couple days ago. Headline Inc. names Brian Sherlin CMO, Chief Marketing Officer. He's been in the project since the beginning, is my understanding, but let's just read this real fast. Headline Inc. is proud to announce that Brian Sherlin, I think that's how you say his name, has accepted the position of Chief Marketing Officer, the newest C-suite position, effective May 23rd this year. Awesome. Brian was the very first hire made by the prolific blockchain development company. He has ushered in new revenue verticals, establishing long-term business plans, and helped scale small projects into key performance indicators for Headline. In his new CMO role, Brian will oversee long-standing partnerships, pursue innovative marketing initiatives, and manage the long-term projects. So bullish. All right, back on the Platinum Astros. Since the price is going up and the Vault 2 is opening tomorrow, it's probably good to just do a once-over on what the whole thing is about, okay? 500 NFTs. It started at 1,000 algos. It's about to go to 3,000 algos. 1 ASA, 0 fees. The price is about to increase to 3,000 algos. This is on, stage 3 of this roadmap, I guess you can call it. Public beta. Headline completed the second production build of the HDX commences public testnet beta. Dang, this is so small I could barely read it. Auditing firms and contractual with the full audit of HDX scheduled for the qualifying firm and firms. Price per Platinum Astro is for 3,000 algos. Anyway, once the audit is complete, it's going to 4,000. Once mainnet is launched for HDX, which is Headline's exchange, kind of like Tiny Man, but I think it's going to be a lot more stuff. It's going to be included in AlgoCloud. This is all my understanding. I'm not on there. I'm not on the beta. I just didn't have time. I wanted to, but anyway, once mainnet is launched, the price of the Platinum Astros goes to 5,000 algos. So the benefit of having a Platinum Astro is you have fee-free trading on Headline's HDX. So if just yeah, it doesn't cost a lot on Tiny Man, but if you're trading a lot, they have fees. I mean, the fee for Algorand is only 0.01 algos. That's nothing. But then they also charge a fee, which is, a percentage. Is it 2%, something like that? I'm not 100% sure. But on Headline's HDX, their exchange, if you have a Platinum Astro, it's 0 fees. And people on the Telegram were like, well, how is that going to make sense? How are they going to make money? Well, there's only 500. A lot of people have more than one. So there'll be plenty of other thousands of people trading on HDX once it starts. So, another benefit for Platinum Astros is obviously it's a key, the Infinity Key, and that lets you into the vault, which right now it more than doubles your HDL tokens that you vault. So 100%, it's a 6-month lockup period. Nothing wrong with that. Minimum requirement, 2,000 Headline tokens. But if you had 10,000 tokens and 6 months later you have 21,000 or 20,500, because it's 105% is what it is. Also, it compounds with the Forum Astros or the Algo Astros is more percentage too. And every other Platinum Astro that you have increases your vault rewards by 5% more. So you have one of them is the key to get into the vault. It gives you 105% of your vaulted HDLs. Any more Platinum Astros increases by another 5%. Algo Astros 2.5%. Forum Astros, what is it? 0.25%. They're pretty cheap to pick up when they launch. The Forum Astros. Anyway, another thing about the Platinum Astros is that you are included in 0.2% of the Platinum Astros pool. Platinum Astros pool is equal to the Algo Astros pool, which is going to be more than 1 million HDLs. If I jump into this crazy spreadsheet that I typed up with the most recent data that we have announced from Headline is round 3 Astros. They all receive 3,000 HDL tokens apiece when the awards or rewards are dropped. Round 2 is sometime in June. I don't know when round 3 and 4 are, but the total pool right now is almost 1.3 million HDL tokens. So if you had one Platinum Astro, if nothing else changes, then your rewards when all of the Algo Astro rewards are given, then the Platinum Astro rewards will be given as well. And you will have, this has to go. Don't look at that. It didn't increase. There was an announcement if they all sold by the end of yesterday, then it would have increased the rewards by 50%, but that didn't happen. So we're going to have to go off of this number, which is 0.2% of the Algo Astros pool. And right now it's almost 2,600 HDL tokens. And so can't complain about that. That's another benefit of having a Platinum Astro. Okay, so I'm on Headline's Telegram channel, and this just popped up a couple hours ago, maybe like an hour ago. I mean, nothing crazy, but one guy says to Aaron, who's the head guy, Aaron, have you been approached by seed investors and they can either have coins or private equity? ? At this point, if you keep climbing Crunchbase, investors might just throw money at you. Interesting. And Aaron's response is, we are still a pre-seed company, and what we have been able to achieve is nothing short of extraordinary, and that's all I am at liberty to say for now. Boom. The next thing he says is the next few weeks should get very interesting, though. Yeah, no doubt. Always surprises out of Headline. I really haven't seen any negatives, so. All right, but back on what really matters, and the whole reason I made this video is the vault, which is on AlgoCloud. The link is vaults.algocloud.org. So if you can't find the link, it's there. I'll put one in the description so you can go onto the vault. So you link your wallet, and this is my wallet. This is what I had vaulted from V1, and my rewards are 17,000. I think I vaulted 12,000. It doesn't say on here. Doesn't say on here. No worries. But I think I vaulted like 12,000 HDLs. Anyway, the price has gone up and it's gone down a lot, and that's just the way it is. So my rewards with all the Astros I have, and Forum Astros, Platinum Astros, and Algo Astros I have, gives me whatever it is. But my staked of HDL is that I'll receive in 5 months now is these 17,392 HDLs. Apparently at today's price is $2,904, which is free money. Just saying. So, and who knows what the price will be then. So anyway, how do you stake? Once the stake opens tomorrow, I'll try to record a video so we can see it. It's not as simple as I'd like it to be. It's not crazy complicated, but pretty much what you have to do is you go to the vault, you enter the vault, you approve the contract or something. I think that if my memory serves me correctly, the interaction between your wallet. So you link your wallet, and then you have to like approve the contract or something like that. I'm not sure. Could be totally wrong there. So once your wallet's linked and you click whatever button number 1 is to approve the contract, it knows what's in your wallet, and it says, okay, you have whatever, 2,000 HDL. Let's just make it simple. 2,000 HDL, which is the minimum, and 1 Platinum Astro. So your rewards will be this. So that's it. That's all you do for the registration period. 24 hours goes by. The vaulting period is now open for 24 hours, unless they extend it this time. I don't know. So then, once you've registered, HDL Headline is going to drop you this token here, SHDL, which is, what's the word? Synthetic HDL. They're going to drop that into your wallet, and you could stake as much as that as you want. You could stake half of it, you could stake one of it, you could stake none of it. It doesn't matter. It just sits in your wallet. And if you stake 100%, that's cool. Just don't take any HDLs or any of the Astros out of your wallet. Otherwise, you're going to get yanked out of the vault. I'm pretty sure a big red thing will come up, and to quote another guy, he will say, "Sorry, you've been invalidated. You are the weakest link. Goodbye." Something like that, right? No, it won't say that, but it'll probably say something on here saying, "Sorry, you've been liquidated out of the vault." Because you removed too many HDLs out of your wallet. You have to leave it in your wallet, and all the assets, meaning all the Astros, they have to stay there for 6 months. Anyway, so when it's time to vault, you say, okay, I want to vault. How much do you want to vault? You just type it in, 100% or whatever. Done. Send it. So it sends your synthetic HDLs to the vault contract address, and it will say confirm or whatever. Well, on here, it will show you. It'll say, okay, you have staked this many SHDLs. So this is showing what's in my wallet right now. Not this. This isn't in my wallet. This is in my wallet. 25 algos. I don't have any more SHDL because I staked them all, or vaulted them all. I'm sorry, vaulted. And they said, okay, in return, you're going to get this many HDL tokens, 17,000 whatever tokens. So that's cool. Not like that's a lot. That's not a ton. I wish I had a lot more. But, you know, that's the way it is. You know, that's the way it is. Dollar cost average. It's way easier to buy anything on Algorand than it is on Ethereum. You don't have to worry about gas. It's always 0.01 algo. Maybe some fees on Tinyman or whatever exchange you're on. So, and I'm blah, blah, blind. Anyway, so this is tomorrow. It opens up. Once it's locked, so tomorrow's the registration, then there's 24 hours to vault your HDLs, your SHDLs, and don't ever remove your headline token out of your wallet or your Platinum Astros or any of your other Astros if you have them. Then it will tell you the vault analytics right here, the total balance, total vaulted on all those things, all this good information right here, vault address, good to know. And so the registration ends, well, that one's completed because this is for V1, and it redeems in 3,597 hours. We got to figure out what that is. What day is 3,597 hours from now? Oh, it says October 25th. Okay, October 25th. Cool. I'm down with that. So Vault 2, I'd imagine would lock up in the next couple of days. Let's say June 1st or the end of May. So that would be, if it's June 1st, then it would unlock, what, December 1st, 6 months. So if you're in Vault 1, you're already, what, 5 weeks ahead of the game, which is cool. Do you want to pull it out of Vault 1 and put it in Vault 2 because now you have more assets? It's your call, you know, do the math. I don't know. That would be an extra 5 weeks. You'll have to wait, you know. But, I mean, honestly, I'm not planning on selling this. When I get the extra 17,000 HDLs plus my 12,000, man, it's almost 30,000 HDL tokens. The all-time high, it was $160? Man, that's a lot of money, right? Now we're getting into actually a decent amount of cash, but I'm not trying to sell my HDLs, honestly. I don't know. I'm waiting for $10 HDL. I'm waiting for $40 HDL. I mean, people think it's out of the question. Maybe. Billion-dollar market cap. A billion-dollar market cap would be $40 HDLs, I think. So, anyway, I'm blabbering. I'm going on too far, so. All right, I know I'm all over the place, but we're just going to dive into AlgoTrade.app. New acquisition from Headline. Man, most traded ASA in the last 24 hours. That's Headline. Imagine that. What's the other one? Which is new. It wasn't like that the other day. Highest volume in the last 24 hours? Headline? Are you serious? Man, it was like number 10 last week when I looked. 72,000 algos traded. That's a lot, man. Next, oh, man, strong work. Anyway, let's dive into this real fast. Oh, man, we pull up the Algo HDL chart. Look at that, man. That's nuts. Since noon or since about 1 o'clock today, price spiked. This chart's in Algo price. I like to see it in dollars just because that's the way my brain is wrapped around. But anyway, what do we have? We could probably do that here in a little bit. Either way, look at one from 39 algos to 45 algos, 45 and a half algos in like 3 hours. So price spiked, volume spiked. It's pretty neat. Let's drop it back to 4-hour chart. Man, look at this. Just been increasing and they're dropped a little bit. This is early May. Let's go back a little bit further. Let's do 12-hour chart. Man, huge spike over here was April 27th. That was some launch. Man, this is when the whole market started to collapse, honestly. All-time low, 21 and a half. Not all-time low, but pretty dang low, 21 and a half algos. Of course, the price of algos has gone down too, so it's kind of hard for me to wrap my brain around it when it's priced in algos, which changes too. I like it in dollars. Let's see if we can figure it out. No, can't figure it out. Anyway, there's got to be a way. I'll work on that later on. 1 hour, it's up 1.75%. 24 hours, it's up 16.5% versus algos. Man, nothing wrong with that. Cool, right? This is Algorand Explorer. This is going straight to Tinyman if you want to go make a trade. Total supply of HDL tokens is 25 million tokens. So, yeah, who knows? Will HDL ever get to $40? I don't know. I doubt it, but who knows? I don't doubt it. I mean, I don't know. With this project, seems these guys are off the chain. Just saying. Projects making acquisitions in a crazy bull market, right? So they're still producing. They're cash flow positive. I don't know how they're doing it. A lot of projects are just going to disappear in the next month if they haven't already. So I don't know, man. If this goes $1 billion market cap, like you've seen some tokens do, that would be $40 a token right now. It is at, was it 19 cents or 15 cents? Let's figure it out. All right, on Telegram, they have a price tracker channel for HDL. Current price 16.7 cents. This is in dollars, and man, the last 24 hours is up 16%. Of course, it's dropped a little bit, like the rest of the market. That's got a chart. Let's look at this. See if this means anything. HDL last day. This is May 27th, so yesterday. Dollars went from 15.5 cents down to 14.5, or just under 14, and right now it is at 16. So interesting. It's gone up a lot, probably off this announcement, and I know I'm blabbering a lot, so let's try to wrap this up. All right. Sorry for the blah, blah, blah. 22 minutes so far. I hope you got some good information out of this. Trying to put some information on Headline out there. Their announcements there's so many announcements. I can't dive into all of it. Like, I don't even know enough. I don't know algo options. I don't know that. I don't know options trading. I know people do that. Maybe you could leverage just 100% collateralized leveraging, whatever. I mean, so you bring Bitcoin over to Algorand chain, like wrapped Bitcoin, and you say, okay, I have like 5 Bitcoin, which I wish I did. I don't. Put on Algorand chain, and you say, okay, I'm gonna leverage up my Bitcoin to buy and sell stuff on options. Man, it's crazy. So it opens up a market to a whole bunch of different people. Talking to some of these people on Telegram, they do that. I don't. You know, I don't need leverage. I'm already leveraged. You know. In other ways, I don't need more leverage on I don't need the market to drop 20% and then all my leverage gets yanked, like a margin call, just pulls all my stuff. But people could do that. I don't know enough about that to be able to do it, is all I'm saying. So, all right, so that's it for today, or that's it for this video. Headline Inc. on Algorand blockchain, Platinum Astros, price goes up later today to 3,000 Algorand. That's a lot. Of course, the price of Algorand's gone in half since it was their initial price. So you initially could have got one Platinum Astro for I think $700 or $800. Now when the price went up to 2,000 Algorand, yeah, but the price of Algorand got cut in half, so you could get one right now for serious. Let's find out. All right, the price for Algorand in dollars is 36.5 cents. So 2,000 of those would be what? $730. So it's the same as it was before the price increase before. I know that doesn't make sense. It sounds counterintuitive. I doubt Algorand is going to drop in half again, or 20%. I highly doubt that in the next couple of months. Could go down a little bit like the rest of the market, but the price of one Platinum Astro is about to go to 3,000 Algorand, probably by the end of the day. So, and if you had HDL tokens, you can lock them in the vault, double your return. They'll just give you in 6 months. In 6 months. So the max you could do is up to 300% is what they're saying. So if you had enough Platinum Astros and enough Algo Astros, and you had you had a crap ton of HDL tokens, man, you can make out like a bandit. I'm just saying. Wish I had extra money. I'd be diving into this. There's a couple other projects I'm into. This one I would be like, yes, I got extra money. I'm going into that. Anyway, I'm rambling. Thank you for watching Blue Collar Crypto. Today's May 28th. Really appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.
I feel like I need a stiff drink after that conversation.